Hey, what's up everybody? Did you know that 96,000 people move to Las Vegas every single year? The question is why? Well, due to the Fed's interest rate hikes have increased the cost of living for many Americans across the country. Americans are now looking to relocate to Las Vegas because of no state income tax, low unemployment, low cost of living, and affordability for housing. We're also the entertainment capital of the world. So if you are thinking about relocating to Las Vegas, we would like to offer you a free Southern Nevada market report and a relocation guide. All you have to do is click on that link below to claim yours today. All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. I'm a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, I want to start off with this video. I do apologize to all my viewers out there. I've not been on top of my game lately. Normally, I would post a video, all right, consistently every single day. However, it's been a little bit tough because I've been very busy. And also, a couple days, just been kind of, I don't want to say lazy, but just kind of like bored with, just filming property. It's just like the monotony of things. Now, when it comes to like the luxury side, materials and products, I get more excited about that. But just stuff like this, it's pretty much all the same. And, sometimes you just got to take a break from things. But I am back. Like I said, we're over here in the Southwest. So this is Richmond American Homes. And the reason why I wanted to tour this today is for a couple of reasons, because I want to show you what's going on. We got a couple clients too as well that is interested, that will be out here from California. We do have a quick move-in. Now, this community right here is actually called Jameson Park. And as you can see, all the homes being built here. Now, the way that they are building now is basically spec building. What you see is what you get. Now, there's only two models or two floor plans. One floor plan is 1,370 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 with a 2-car garage. Then we have the 1,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage. Pricing is going to be around the 500 and some change, about 525, 540, just depending. It is a little bit higher on the price per square foot. There are some other communities that are a little bit higher, but we're gonna just take a quick peek and see what we got here. So that way we can kind of give you a general idea. Some of these homes will have flooring instead of just carpet. As you can see, this is upgraded 42 upper cabinets here, and then we have some wood-like tiles. Just gonna take you guys through some of these homes that are expected to be completed in the next 60 days. Like I said, the one right across the street here, that's ready to go. They do have some pretty good incentives here. There was a sign I was reading that a lot of these builders now are given just below the 5% mark. And also, right now, I was told with the incentives, they can get you up to 3% towards closing costs. So this is the same floor plan, just in reverse, okay? I guess it's not that bad. This is gonna be more of a starter home, I would say. Also, they can get up to like $10,000 towards your buy down. I don't know how long that's going to last. So if you're at the 4.9, because they're buying their loans in bulk. So I was told that you can get it all the way down to like 3.5 with the buy down. So let's take a look at this floor plan. This one's going to be a little bit different here. So let's go through the garage. And you got an 1.5 inch gas line, which is really nice. Nice flooring. So this is same floor plan again. Okay. All white shaker cabinets. All right, so it looks like our memory card is full, so I had to delete some of the old videos. You know, let's go check out the model together. See what we got. We got another quick move in over there, right here over the cul-de-sac here. So we're gonna check out the 1,500 square feet. Let's go take a look at the build here. See what we're working with. We've got shopping nearby. Just south of us here, we have Southern Highlands, close to freeway access. All right, let's go inside here. So you can see most of this stuff has already been sold out. Oh, we have a December move-in, which is really nice. Ready for December, so we got a couple here, here, here. So that's the one that we looked at. All right, so let's go inside. Let's see what we got here. All right, 8-foot door, not bad. A lot of this stuff is gonna be pretty much like all stock and standard. So all the ones that we looked at was the 1,500, it looks like. White shaker cabinets with the black cam pulls. I love the fact that the hardware here, you make them black, it does pop with all the trim and stuff. Now, if you guys want more information regarding like HOAs, just give me a call here. We got the undermounted sink, upgraded on the backsplash cook countertops as well. Majority of them will be slide-in stoves. I mean, obviously this is not going to be a soft closing cabinet. Let's take a look at the island here. Orange peel texture. We got a 1-inch bull nose. 9-foot ceilings. Let's take a look at the backyard. Coming through the 6x8 vinyl slide here. Covered patio is definitely an option. There's two options on the covered patios. You got sections 1 and 2. Right back here is Cameron Heights. So we did the videos over here on Cameron Heights. Now if I had to pick one, I definitely would probably buy this one right here, because on this side there's just a street and all this would be open. So this would probably be a little bit better. On this one, it's got a gas line. Nice. Or gas stub. Got the thermostat here. Alarm. Then we have our guest bath. This goes into the 2-car garage, sales office as well. Smart panel box there. Looks like they upgraded on the baseboards. Straight edge. All right, let's go upstairs. These are some pretty high flight of steps here. Nine-foot ceilings, which is really nice for the second floor. Let's take a look at the primary. Primary is a decent size. We have a synthetic carpet here. The padding is actually pretty good. 6-panel door, 8-foot. These are hollow doors as well. We've got a second thermostat. Tells me that there's probably a dual zone. Obviously, there's not going to be 2 condensers here. It's just a transfer duct or a transfer grill. Looks like it's just a transfer. Okay. Grout lines are definitely pretty clean. So then we have Petrofina 1/2 inch, which is pretty much all stock and standard here. Definitely customize the shower. All the trims as well. 6x12 on the backsplash. They did a lot of upgrades on the hardware on this one. So we got Delta fixtures. Pretty clean. This is actually the right tile for the shower. You can just tell by the sheen on it. And builders are now starting to use some Schluters here. I believe with Richmond American Homes, they are using blown-in insulation, R13, and then R22 inside the attics here, which is pretty much standard to code. Some of these deals that we're getting right now, we just recently got craziest deal with one of the builders, so I just want to give a quick shout out to my boy Dom. Original price was at I think $539. We were able to negotiate down to $496. Then I got up to 6% towards closing costs. Then we took 15 grand. We did a buy down rate down to, I think, what, 4.95. Then we had another 15 grand. I took that money and basically used it towards his full closing costs. So basically he's just pretty much just coming out of pocket as far as just his down payment. Everything else is all paid for. And 4.95 is actually a pretty good interest rate, believe it or not. Especially we're hovering over the 7s right now. So we have very low cabinets. These ones right here are 32 inches. Actually 30s on here, I'm sorry. This is just very low. I would definitely have to do an upgrade here. They also upgraded the dual sink as well. This is a bad spec. I would never do this. I mean, these rooms are going to be pretty much 10 by 12s, 10 by 11s here. I mean, again, we got a transfer duct, which is really good. However, the materials, products, casings, everything's just pretty much all like standard grade or enough to meet the guidelines for construction code. I mean, it's not bad. Like, if you need to get a home here in Vegas, this location is really taking off right now. Especially, you know, where this community is really situated. I mean, all the homes out here in the Southwest, if you can get close to, like, Blue Diamond or right off of Cactus or Rainbow or Durango, I mean, they're just building so much. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video home tour. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Other than that, I wish you guys nothing but the best, and happy Thanksgiving, guys. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.